Angel Falls, Venezuela. Angel Falls is a breathtaking waterfall located in the Canaima National Park in the Gran Sabana region of Venezuela. It is one of the world's tallest waterfalls, with a height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet, and a plunge of 807 meters, 2,648 feet. Angel Falls is named after Jimmy Angel, a U.S. aviator who discovered the falls in 1933 while searching for a gold mine. The falls are fed by the Rio Kerepacupai Meru, which flows from the Auyantepui mountain. The best time to visit Angel Falls is during the rainy season from May to November, as the falls are at their most impressive during this time. Visitors can take a boat or plane to the base of the falls, and there are also hiking trails for those who prefer a more active experience. Angel Falls is not only a popular tourist destination but also holds cultural significance for the local Pemen people, who consider the falls to be a sacred site. Angel Falls, also known as Salto Angel, is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, located in Venezuela. The falls drop over the edge of the Auyantepui mountain in Canaima National Park and plunge a height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet, before reaching the bottom. Angel Falls was named after Jimmy Angel, a U.S. aviator who was the first to fly over the falls in 1933. The falls are located in a remote area and can only be accessed by air or boat. Visitors can take a flight from Ciudad Bolivar to Canaima and then take a motorized canoe up the Carrillo River to the base of the falls. The falls are a popular tourist attraction and draw thousands of visitors every year. The best time to visit Angel Falls is during the rainy season from May to November, when the falls are at their fullest and most impressive. However, the weather in the region can be unpredictable, and visitors should be prepared for sudden rain showers and muddy trails.